Hi, welcome to the Pentart Playbook. This is where I'm going to show you all about the different Pentart products. I'm Shannon, and I am from Pick & Boots Vintage. Let's get started. Pentart Textile Decoupage Varnish and Glue. Textile Decoupage Varnish and Glue. It's designed specifically for fabric when you want to decoupage some rice paper or something on some fabric. It will dry to a flexible finish that withstands gentle washing. So this was a piece of rice paper that I put on here, and it's flexible. It's a little bit, it's more stiff than the fabric, obviously, but it's on there. It's been washed a couple times and it's been fine. Now, how you use it. First, you want to place a protective layer, something like a cardboard or a piece of plastic. That way it'll prevent bleed through, depending how thick your material is. You're going to apply a thin layer of the textile decoupage, and then you're going to put your paper on. Make sure you smooth it out. You don't want to have any wrinkles. Once it's dry, you're going to apply another layer over it to seal it. Let it cure for 24 hours. After it cures, iron the reverse side. So you want to flip it inside out. Iron the reverse side for 30 seconds on the cotton setting. Now, if it's thicker material like this, you're going to want to do it for 45 seconds. And a tip is, if you are doing decoupage on a very porous fabric, like linens or something, more holes, you're going to want to use a layer of the fabric medium first, and then you're going to use your decoupage, varnish, and glue textile, and then put it on. But this will kind of clean up and close all those holes.